Catherine here from Big Tree Distillery. Hope you're all keeping well. We're still here and we've been working very hard during this time, producing a few extra little surprises for when we can all invite you back here to the distillery tasting room. But we've been also working on a couple of other little things which I just want to show you now. So come with me. So we've got a special recipe for you, a lovely Big Tree Negroni. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, a Big Tree Negroni. It's pretty special, but it's pretty easy. And it's the perfect drink for this time of evening. So it's a third. So a third of elegant dry. So that's 30 mils. 30 mils of slow, which is our special sloe gin, which we picked the 102 kilos of sloes in Tasmania. And then a third of Campari. So 30 mils of Campari. Look at that beautiful colour. And you finish it off with a lovely big square ice block. Squeeze it around. And add an orange. Or two. Slice of orange. I normally have fresh, but got dehydrated today. So there you go. The Big Tree Negroni.